Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send an automated email when someone buys a specific product using Shopify marketing automations. This is a great way to follow up with customers, promote related products, or send personalized messages. Let's walk through it together and get it set up. On the Shopify dashboard, we will go to Marketing. You can find it on the left side. Once you see it, just click it. Under Marketing, click on Automations. Here, we will find ready-made templates to choose from. As an example, we will search for the thank you email that goes out to customers after a purchase. This email will be sent after they buy something, whether it is their first or a repeat purchase. Once we find the template, just click it. Next, we need to install Shopify Flow or any other required apps. Click Install and then confirm to add the automation to the store. As we can see, the automation is now live in our Shopify store. Just keep in mind that an upgraded plan is needed to create and run these automations in the store. That is how we send an automated email when someone purchases a specific product using Shopify marketing automations. With this setup, we can improve customer engagement and encourage repeat sales.